Imagine a battery, so tiny it could balance on your fingertip, yet powerful enough to keep your devices alive for 50 years straight, without ever needing a recharge. No cables cluttering your desk, no power banks weighing down your bag, no panic moments watching your battery icon turn red. Just endless, uninterrupted energy. Sounds impossible? Well, China may have just taken the first step toward making it real. At the heart of this breakthrough is a Beijing-based tech company called betavolt, working in collaboration with researchers from Northwest Normal University. Together, they're pushing the boundaries of science with a device so radical it could rewrite the future of energy, a nuclear-powered microbattery. If it performs the way they say it will, we may be on the edge of a power revolution that changes not just our gadgets, but the entire way we think about electricity itself. How it works? So, what makes this battery different from the one sitting inside your phone right now? Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries that rely on chemical reactions, these are called beta-voltaic batteries. They use radioactive isotopes like nickel, 63, or carbon, 14. As these isotopes naturally decay, they give off a stream of electrons. Instead of letting that energy go to waste, scientists capture those electrons using ultra-thin semiconductor materials, converting them directly into electricity. The incredible part? This decay process is steady, predictable, and long-lasting. That means the battery could keep working not just for a few years, but for 50 to even 100 years nonstop. Why it's different? Now, before you start imagining nuclear reactors in your pocket, here's the key difference. These microbatteries are nothing like reactors. There's no heat, no meltdown risk, no explosions waiting to happen, no moving parts at all. Instead, it's a quiet, controlled process, like a steady heartbeat of power. Safe, compact, reliable, and virtually maintenance-free. Real-world impact. The potential applications are staggering. Think about medical implants like pacemakers. No more risky surgeries to replace a drained battery. Space probes venturing into the deepest corners of the solar system, running for decades without losing power. Military equipment, environmental sensors, disaster relief tools. Devices that could operate continuously in the harshest conditions without ever shutting down. And one day, in the not-so-distant future, imagine a smartphone, smartwatch, or laptop that never needs to see a charging cable again, lasting as long as you do. Of course, there's a catch. Right now, these nuclear microbatteries don't generate massive amounts of power. They're perfect for small, low-energy electronics, but they're not about to run your electric car or power your home anytime soon. Still, if we've learned anything from the history of technology, it's this. Innovation starts small. Today, it's powering sensors and implants. Tomorrow, who knows? In 10 or 20 years, this tech could evolve into something far bigger than anyone expects. We may be standing at the dawn of an energy revolution, one where charging cables, outlets, and dead batteries are relics of the past. The idea that your devices could last a lifetime on a single battery isn't just a dream anymore. It's becoming a real possibility. And that raises one fascinating question. If you had a battery that could last 100 years, what's the very first thing you would power? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button.